Hey y'all, welcome. My name is Mimi's Mighty Incredible. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, show me some love. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, and for my old time subbies, y'all know I love y'all to death and I appreciate y'all. So today I have a nice video for you. Okay, it's an unboxing. This big old box. Y'all know I'm always shopping, so ain't no telling what I have in this box. We're about to clip this box open, you know. Cut up all this tape. Yes, clip it open. Ooh, got my brackets. Ooh, y'all. Okay, a box within a box. Actually, it's two boxes within a box. So we got some more clipping to actually do. Let me cut this open real quick. Cut this one open as well. Alright. Okay. Last box we gotta open. Remember, they put two boxes up inside here. Ooh. Yes, y'all, I got hair products. So, the first product I have is the Eden Body. Can you see that? Coconut co-wash. Y'all, I love this co-wash right here. I actually did a video on this co-wash. It's sulfate free and it's a very gentle cleansing conditioner. It removes residue and buildup. It is so moisturizing. It's great for my finger detangling, and it smells so good, you know. It smells super good. So refreshing and light, a little bit like coconut. It smells so good, y'all. And I have another one. I bought two of them. I love them so much. Bought two. So I have two of these. I love them, as you can see. I bought two. Next, I have the Eden Body Works Jojoba Deep Natural Deep Conditioner. This one is also a great conditioner. I love it. I used it before when I was transitioning. I haven't used it since I've been 100% natural. It smells nice and minty. Oh my gosh. But I know when I was transitioning, I definitely did like it. It provided great slip and it made my hair very soft and manageable. So that's why I had to purchase it again. You know, I'm gonna use it being natural. No, I'm 100% natural now. So that's that one. What else do I have? I have a curl defining cream, also by Eden Body Works. This stuff is, oh my gosh, when I put it through my hair, it really defines my curls. Like, it makes it like popping like magic, y'all. Like, I don't know what they did. They put some fairy dust in it and you put it on your hair and it's poof, curls. Popalicious. That's what this thing does to my hair. So of course I had to buy one of these. And what else do I have? Another Eden Body product. It's the hair mask. This stuff, y'all, works so good, and you could use it with or without heat. Either way you use it, it will get the job done. Makes your hair nice, soft, manageable. It smells great. And this is the coconut shea line. And so is the co-wash and the curl defining cream, the coconut shea line. And this one is the Citrus Fusion Eden Body Works. This actually is for hair or your body. My first time purchasing it. It smells good, like orangey, sort of nice and tropical. I can't wait to see how this does for my hair and my body. It's a moisturizer to hydrate and soothe, leaves hair and skin silky and soft, moisturizing, lightweight, absorbent. This sounds like it's gonna be a winner, and I didn't even use it yet. So that is this one right here. What else do we have? That's one box. I have from the Coconut Shade line, also Eden Body Works, the Natural Pudding Souffle. Add moisture to dry, thirsty hair. Reduce frizz, enhance texture styles. Yes. I've also used this as well before in the past when I was transitioning, and I love the moisture it gave my hair. It also smells wonderful. I really enjoy this. And normally I would pair this with their, where was it at? With the Curl Defining Cream. These two together is great. Great. I love it. The results is bomb. What else do I have? I have, oh, the Eden Body Works Papaya Foam Conditioner. This stuff right here, y'all, smells so good, so good. Nice and tropical. This reduces frizz. It's a vitamin blend styling conditioner, and this stuff is wonderful. So wonderful. Like, I tried it once and I need to try it again, but I know when I did try it, it had my hair feeling so nice and hydrated. I really love this conditioner right here. And that's also Eden Body Works. What else? I have a conditioner, Citrus Fusion Line. This is it right here. Can y'all see it? Yes, and it's a nutrition-rich conditioner. Strengthens the hair, smooths, reduces frizz, nourishes the hair. This is actually a rinse out or a leave-in. Perfect. Let's see how it smells. It smells just like their hair and body butter. And I haven't tried this. I'm excited to try it. They had some good reviews on their website. So I would definitely let y'all know how I like this one and this one, being I haven't used it yet. But I think I'm gonna like it because everything so far that I've used from Eden Body Works, I really enjoyed it. So I know I'm gonna definitely like that. I have the Eden Body Works conditioning hair dress. This stuff right here smells so good. I have used this once and I liked it. It is so good. I would use this on my hair, like if I'm doing like a twist out or a braid out, or if I just want to give my hair some nice shine and moisture, I would definitely use this. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? This is it right here. And what else do I have? The Nourishing Curl Jam, Eden Body Works Papaya Castor. Where is it? Can y'all see that? Here it goes right there. This also smells good. I haven't used the Curl Jam yet, but I'm gonna let y'all know how I like it. What else do we have? A natural deep conditioner, jojoba mini, a free sample, but I already have the actual full size conditioner. But thank you, Eden Body Works, for a nice extra conditioner. Actually, they gave me 2. So that's 2 free samples. Eden Body Works showing me some love. What else do we have? We have the Papaya Scalp Cleanser. It smells good. Like, the whole line smells good. It's a gentle cleanser to exfoliate and nourish the hair and scalp, removes dirt buildup, balances hair and scalp. And I really enjoyed this product when I used it, and it really cleans my hair so gentle, and I was able to finger detangle. Any product I'm able to finger detangle with is a win in my book, and I love this so much that I purchased 2 of them. So I like the papaya castor line from what I've tried so far. And last but not least is the Curl Hydration Shampoo, also from Eden Body Works. Like I said before, I love their products. This one is a gentle cleanser, nourishes the hair, very hydration. I love this shampoo, as well as their leave-in conditioner from the same line. I also like their Curl Hydration custard as well. And I also did a video on this line right here, the Curl Hydration shampoo. Well, this Curl Hydration line, I did a video of this line, and I can link it below. And I believe I did a video of the coconut shea line as well. I will link that below. And that's pretty much everything, y'all. No more products. Everything is finito, empty. Yeah, I got all of these products. Guess how much? Each product was $5. So it's about 13 products that I got, and I only spent $5 for each. So that's about $70. So yeah, that was a steal, because you know I like to shop, you know, when it's sales. And I got this from Eden Body Works when they had their Cinco de Mayo sale. So everything on their website was $5, and their products normally cost about $9.99 each. And again, I love Eden Body Works. This video is not sponsored. I use my own coins to get these products, and you know, I just love these products. Let me know in the comment section below if you ever try Eden Body Works, you know, what your favorite products are that you would like me to try. And as always, love, peace, hugs and kisses. Boo, bye.